viewers. Today I will try to discuss rearrange. Rearrange the words so that they make complete sense. Number one, there are some jumbled words and we have to rearrange it, expressing completing sense. Shoikot, subject, and it will be first. Then verb, then adverb. Shoikot reads in class 5. Number 2, play the football in field the. And the subject is they, verb play, football object, and rest are adverb. They play football in the field. Number 3, favorite subject English is mine. Answer, my favorite subject is English. Number 4, time, what is it? It's a WH question and what will be used at first. What time is it? Lastly, it's a question mark. Number 5, live where do you? Answer, where do you live? Number 6, old how are you? It's also a WH question word. How old are you? Number 7, birthday when is your? Answer, when is your birthday? Thanks for watching.